Hi there, welcome to SLS Scholars Academy. In our last video, we were able to solve some questions on differentiation from French principle. In this video, we are going to be solving more questions. Okay, so we'll be solving this question, y equals 1 over x minus 2. So this becomes y plus change in y equals 1 over x plus change in x minus 2. Take this y to this side, it becomes change in y equals 1 over x plus change in x minus 2 minus y. Now from here, recall that y equals 1 over x minus 2. So it implies that change in y becomes 1 over x plus change in x minus 2 minus 1 over x minus 2. Now change in y becomes LCM of this and this gives us x plus change in x minus 2 multiplied by x minus 2. Now this divided by this gives us x minus 2. X minus 2 times 1 gives us x minus 2. Okay, this divided by this gives us x plus change in x minus 2 times 1 gives us minus into x plus change in x, then minus 2, close the bracket. Okay, now so we have change in y to be equal to x minus 2 minus opens this becomes minus, and then you have minus change in x, and then this becomes plus 2, okay, over x plus change in x minus 2 into bracket x minus 2. Okay, so now from here, okay, this opens this, and then we have, okay, we are correct. Now this is going to take away this, plus x is going to take away minus x, minus 2 is going to take away plus x. Okay, so we're going to have change in y to be equal to minus change in x over x plus change in x minus 2 into x minus 2. Okay, so now we're going to divide through by change in x, so it becomes change in y over change in x equals minus change in x over x plus change in x minus 2, x minus 2 divided by change in x. And this turns to multiplication. This division must turn to multiplication. It becomes change in y equals minus change in x over x plus change in x minus 2 into bracket x minus 2 multiplied by 1 over change in x. Now, if you watch it clearly, change in x takes away change in x here. Okay, so you're going to have change in y to be equal to minus 1 over x plus change in x minus 2 into bracket x minus 2. Okay, so now we're going to limit change in x as it tends to 0 in this. So I'm going to rub up this side. Okay, so from here, change in y over change in x is going to be equal to limit change in x as it tends to 0 in minus 1 over x plus change in x minus 2 into bracket x minus 2. Okay, so now we're going to limit change in x as it tends to 0. So this becomes that dy dx is going to be equal to minus 1 over, this becomes x plus 0 minus 2 into x minus 2. Okay, and so this becomes dy dx equals minus 1 over, this is x plus 0 minus 2 gives us x minus 2 and then x minus 2. Okay, so this becomes x minus 2, and then from there we have dy dx to be equal to minus 1 over, this is x minus 2 all squared, and that's our answer.